I was inspired by these photos, gold simple lamp bases with cute little characters on them. I found these simple metal at a thrift store for lamp bases, only $3 each. The lampshades were also just $3, and I'm using a rechargeable light bulb. First, I shaped the top of the lamp base so the bulb could fit properly. One of them broke while I was bending it, but that's okay. A little glue fixes everything. To give the lamp a soft gold tone, I started with a white primer. It helps the paint stick better to metal. Then I sprayed it with a metallic brass color twice. Honestly, when I first bought these, I had no idea how I was going to turn them into lamps. But I love figuring things out along the way. That's the fun part of creating. Even the cashier asked what I was going to use them for, and I said, I'm planning to make table lamps. But at that time, I wasn't really sure how yet. The color turned out like this. I'm really happy with it. The hardest part was attaching the lampshade. I solved it using craft wire. I shaped it so the shade could rest perfectly on top. For the decoration, I wanted to make it fun for the kids. Since their favorite toys change all the time, I attach small magnets to their toys so they can swap them anytime they want. Thanks to the rechargeable light bulb, I realized you can basically turn any object into a lamp. All it takes is a little creativity and imagination. I'll list everything I used in the description below. Give it a try. It's such a fun project. The rechargeable bulb has 3 light modes and even a dimming feature. Now the lamps sit on their side tables, and my kids love decorating them with their favorite toys. At night, they turn on the lamp, write in their journals, or read until they fall asleep. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you in my next project.